Jar of Hope and Team Jamesy, good afternoon. Today marks 81 days until the Mingus Traverse. The announcement is happening today. 81 days out, we have a team of 10 going to the desert to attempt to run 79 miles in 44 hours. What's the significance of 79 hours? Well, let me share with you. Duchenne muscular dystrophy affects the dystrophin gene, which happens to be 79 exons long. If you remember, my campaign of 10 push-ups for $10 was 79 weeks long. Again, signifying, making the connection back to the disease. Because that's why we do what we do, is to fight Duchenne muscular dystrophy. I run these races. We bring out a team of people to run these races so you guys don't have to get off the couch. It's easier for you guys to support us by sponsoring the miles, by sponsoring the race, by helping us pay for children's co-pays to the hospital. Last month in December, Jar of Hope spent over $13,000 to help families subsidize medical cost. Not including spending money for Jamesy stem cells and exosomes, which I am so grateful for. But this is the reason we run, so we can fund these things for children. Last year, we bought a $79,000 wheelchair accessible van for a family. That's why we run. That's where your money goes. And we are so close, so close. I wish things moved as fast as I'd like to move them. Not as fast as I run, but faster. In real life and doing business with people, because business slows things down. People want to make sure they're doing the right thing. I get it. But Duchenne muscular dystrophy does not slow down. That's why I'm so much in attack mode every single day, because I see firsthand what it does to these children. I see how it affects them. I live with a child with Duchenne. And if you don't think it's heartbreaking for everybody around a child with Duchenne, you'd be wrong. It affects not the first degree of the family, but the second and the third, and friends. It's just awful. I'm not putting it over any other disease that's out there. But this is the space I'm in, fighting Duchenne and children who have autism. Because that too, wait till you see the podcast that we have, which also is funded by the races that we do. There's a story you guys have to watch of a 20-year-old young man who shared what it's like living with autism, and his ability to communicate it is just amazing. That's on the Jar of Hope show. But today, I want to make the announcement of 81 days of doing the Mingus Traverse. We're going out to Sidonia, 79 miles non-stop. Once the gun goes off, it's either you DNF or you finish in 44 hours. There's no ultra stage. We don't sleep. We don't wake up. No. This is we start and we'll see you at the finish line. Carrying everything on our back to survive for 44 hours or 79 miles. I want to thank my team that's coming out there with me. We're going to be introducing you to each and every one of them as we go. Everybody has a responsibility to raise so much money. So I appreciate it if you guys would like to donate to support my efforts in running, because I'm just as obligated and responsible and as accountable as everybody else is. All right? So I want to thank you. I appreciate you. I'm so grateful to you. And if you guys have any other questions on how you can get involved, email james@jarofhope.org. If you want to be on one of the committees that we have going forward this year, we have so much good stuff going on. It's going to be great. And if you guys, we can appreciate if you guys get involved, but we do need your financial support to keep everything going, to keep funding these co-pays. I can tell you this right now. There's a family that went to go get a regular checkup Because, listen, with children with Duchenne muscular dystrophy, there's so many different indications, right? Or so many specialists that they have to see. So there's the cardiologist, there's the endocrinologist, there's the eye doctor, the nutritionist, the PT, the OT, right? That's just 6. So that's 6 different copays. I don't know if you're aware of that. And the medium copay is on average $75. The max is $150. Why do I know this? Because we pay them. Thanks to your donations, that's where the funds go. Not to mention PT. Do you know when a child, in any indication when they go to a PT office, they can only go 30 times a year? Now, a child with Duchenne muscular dystrophy, for instance, needs to go a minimum of 3 times a week. So that's 10 weeks. What do you do the rest of the year? There's 52 weeks in a year. What do you do the rest of those weeks? Well, Jar of Hope funds those PT sessions so those kids can go. Otherwise, they'd be missing out. And that's how contractures happen. And that's how this disease, not only do their muscles waste away, but then contractures happen. And then their hands look awful, their legs, their feet look awful. We can't have this happen to our children. That's why we do what we do. That's why we run the races we run. And most importantly, that's where your money goes. It's invaluable, you supporting us. And I can't thank you enough. JarofHope.org. Mingus Traverse. Thank you.